Wow, 2 videos in one day. This is like Christmas. So notice, we know that when you have a variable inside the absolute value, you have to break it up into 2 parts. You have to, because you got to take care of both cases. What if a number n for x causes this to be positive? Then the absolute value has no effect. What if you put a number in for x that causes the inside to be negative? You got to take the opposite. The only thing we haven't talked about, well, we did yesterday or Friday, is these. Well, what this really means is I want all numbers, that's what a variable is, that are more than 4 units away from 2. So here's 2. 4 units would be 6. Absolute value makes it go on the other side also. And more than means go away from the middle, which is a typical OR. Typical OR. So this one, less than. Same concept. Now it's gotten really dark in here. Mercy. So we're going more than, we're going 4 units to the right and 4 units to the left. Right because of the original statement. Left because we got the absolute value. It means go on both sides. Okay, now less than means we're wanting to go towards the middle. Less than those numbers away. So therefore, this is an AND, a typical AND. So this problem, how do you do it? Well, we got to break it up into 2 parts, just like we've been doing. It's just instead of an equals, we now have a less than or equals. Then we're going to take the opposite. Now we got to connect it with the word. So we're going to connect it with and because it's less than. It's coming towards the middle. Towards the middle. You like math. I'm going to hypnotize you. You want to do 4 hours of math homework a night. So less than is and. Now let's solve it. Add 6, so 3x is less than or equal to 15. X is less than or equal to 5. Take the opposite. So we would subtract 6. Then divide by -3, but whenever you divide by negative, you have to switch the inequality, I guess would be a better way to say it. It's an and. What did I do? Sorry about that. So it's everything between -1 and 5. Whee! So I have do this problem for me, please. Okay, welcome back. So write it. There's 2 parts. So greater than 6. It's greater, going away from the middle, so it's or. Then I'm going to skip a step here and actually distribute the negative. Now it has to go to both terms. So I'm going to add 1. 1/3 x is greater than 7. Multiply by 3. Here I'm going to subtract 1. Multiply by -3. So that would be -15. But switch to inequality. Now it's an or. So we have -15. Go this way. And we have 2, 1. Go this way. Whee! Now this one, go ahead, stop the video and do it, then I'll do it. Okay, so break it up. Break it up. So it'd be an or again, because it's going away from the middle. Distribute the negative. Okay. Let's do this so you can see a little better. So subtract the 6, so -x is greater than 4. Then take the opposite. Here, add 6 to both sides. So x is greater than 16. Woohoo! So negative 4, wee. 16, way. Good deal, my peeps. Now I'm going to have you try just one here, just one, and see if you can figure it out. Here you go. Go ahead and try to figure that out, and then I'll do it. So, you can't distribute a negative across the absolute value. But what I recommend is always get the absolute value by itself. So I divide both sides by negative. Oops. Negative 5. So absolute value x minus 4 is less than 4. So originally we thought it was going to be an or, but it's really not an or. It's an and. So x minus 4 is less than 4. And the opposite. So x is less than 8. Here, subtract 4. Negative x is less than 0. Take the opposite. So it'd be everything between 0 and 8. Doopy-doo. Good job. Well, thank you. So I just wanted to get you going on this. We'll finish up absolute values tomorrow. Then we might start the next section. I haven't decided. Have a wonderful day.